Okay? So you have already the gadget. Now, what you need is to, you know what to do, how to use that, and take it off. Kung matanggal remember you need to use it gently. Kung sa kadako ang inyong lumo, or kung sa kadako, hindi mo ni siya birahon. Okay? So, this is what I did last daily familiarization. Maibot ka ni automatic 60 ka. Okay? So, you have only 5 minutes. Are you ready? Okay. Last 3 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Last 1 minute. I don't know. So you don't know how to use this asa teka itong actual familiarization time. Tapos, dating tama na yung ipang tao. sa pagkatao. Tao na, hindi na. Ginagiro kami sa kasal yung putagang kanina. Okay? So, you don't know what are those gadgets or assembly that you have attached to the subject. So, therefore, you are not prepared. In fact, you are the second batch. So, you must to expect it that you are already prepared. And if you are present and if you diligently listening and observe during your actual attachment, the familiarizations on where to put all the gadgets to the subject. But when it comes now, you don't know how to attach all the gadget. Okay? And you don't know what are those gadgets that you have attaching to the subject. So therefore, so you fail. Okay? Okay, remove the gadget. Then after that, pagkala na remove na lang, then you will use it. Then please kindly for shoes, and then go back here. Then